All right, we're also tracking breaking news this morning. Boeing has accepted a plea deal to avoid a criminal trial over the 737 MAX crashes. We've learned the company will now plead guilty to a criminal fraud charge.
Federal prosecutors gave Boeing the choice last week to enter a guilty plea and pay a fine or face a criminal trial. King 5's Farah Jadron is live near Boeing's Renton facility. Farah, what happens next for Boeing?
Well, first, a federal judge would have to approve this to make the deal effective. This is the 5-page letter that the Department of Justice sent to the victims' families in those two 737 MAX jetliner crashes in Indonesia and Ethiopia. Now, according to the DOJ, an accepted plea agreement would allow the court to determine a restitution amount for those families. Now, as for the fine, Boeing would be ordered to pay $243.6 million. That's an additional amount, and that's the same amount Boeing paid in a 2021 settlement that the DOJ said the company breached. We spoke to attorney Mark Linquist, who represented dozens of victims' families in those two crashes.
This is not a surprise. Boeing delayed until the last possible second to accept, but we knew they were all going to accept. Had Boeing gone to trial, all their negligence, all their misconduct, all their dirty laundry would have been aired out in a highly public forum. Boeing had little choice but to accept this deal.
While it's likely that the families of those victims will ask the judge to not accept the plea, so Boeing would have to go to trial, Linquist says it's likely a judge will accept it. Now, in this deal, Boeing would also be required to invest at least $455 million in safety and compliance programs with an appointed monitor who would then oversee those procedures for 3 years. Live in Renton, Farah Jadron, King 5 News.